the CI of the company, technology is just a tool enablement which I do in terms of making business engagements or business visibilities more prominent. The age of technology is now that it is all about digital and all digital, all digital. So how technology roadmap of a company is basically, there is one is the traditional IT and then the transformation phase which coexist together. So I think so technology becomes more of a tool enabler where the customer side, where the customers you are able to meet out your customer centricity and all the kind of experiences if you have to be cutting edge in the market. So the technology robustness should be there in place. So I leverage technology as the highest pillar in terms of giving a good cross engagement across my different asset classes, reachability to the market, and thinking ahead of the future. So the roadmap for technology should be well decided in advance from 3 to 5 years down the line. So I look forward Dell as a one-stop shop where especially in terms of respective forums wherever I meet up with Dell people, and if I am facing any kind of business pain areas and all, so I always keep it a point that I speak to the Dell representatives that yes, this is my new problem which I am facing through in my day-to-day business as usual problems. And it's before the problem occurs, the solution, Dell is already ready with the solution. So that has been my experience. It's not about Bajaj Capital where I have been exploring and working very closely with Dell. It's been around my 10 years of different touch points, different kind of verticals that I have been serving in the past where Dell has equally contributed in my business enhancements. And very closely knit, all close-knit solutions. So they get addressed to the different solutions. So I can say that like the power and the engagement is pretty, the market niche is, that is, they always see the, 3 to 4 years down the line, what will be the real, demand in the market, what is the real ask. So I'm able to mitigate all those pain areas through this enablement of this.